Hi everyone, in this lecture we will see how hop count works, as in we will count till 16, as you can say we'll count till infinity, right? So we'll see why it has limit to 15, and after that what exactly happens, how the unreachability happens, right? Okay, so now as you can see in this topology, like that game in the Nokia phone, the snake game, if we see this R0. So R0 is directly connected to this 192.168.10.0 network. Now it will advertise this network to R1 with a hop count of 1. So it is going to advertise R1 with hop count of 1. R1 installed it with hop count of 1 and will advertise it to R2 with hop count of 2. R2 will install it with hop count of 2, will advertise R3 with hop count of 3. R3 install it with hop count of 3 and will advertise it to R4 with hop count of 4. Now R4 will install it with hop count of 4 and will advertise to R5 with a hop count of 5. R5 will install hop count at hop count of 5 to our 192.168.10 network and will advertise it to R6 with hop count of 6. R6 will install the network with hop count of 6 and will advertise it further to R7 with hop count of 7 and so on. Now R14, router 14 will install the information about 192.168.10.0 with hop count of 14 and will advertise it to 15 with hop count of 15. Now 15 will, now what do you think what will happen here? Let's see. So if you see at R14, let's see the routing table. Yes, you have it here. Yes, R14. So if you see with this command, you can see 10 network has been here via rip our administrative address and then hop count 40, right? So it is getting advertised with the hop count of 50. Now if we look at R15, router 15, you will see it is getting it is still having the information with the hop count of 15. And now as we know, the maximum limit of hop count is 15 and after that it is unreachable. So let's see what will happen in R16. Let me minimize it. Yes. Now as you can see in R16, there is no 10 network, right? Because 10 network from here, let me, okay. So 10 network till R16 got an hop count of 16 and there it becomes unreachable. So there is no entry of 10 network in our router 16. Likewise, let's see our router 1. What does it says? Router 1. Yes. Show IP route. Yes. So as you can see here, we're getting the information of 17 with hop count of 40, right? Let's see of R0. Show IP route. Yes, as you can see, this is also having the information about 192.168.170.0 network with a hop count of 15, right? It is having the information. But when we look at our PC1, so okay, so when we look at our PC1, it is having the information about 192.168.170 network, but it will not advertise it to this because when it will try to advertise it, it has to increase the hop count, and as it reaches hop count 16, it will become unreachable. So for our PC1, it will not get information about 192.168.70.0, right? And also, let's suppose if we add here, let's suppose 17 dot network, 17 dot router, and 18 dot. Okay, so network for this will be, let me copy this. So network for this will be then 180, and likewise in a way 190, right? So for our 17, this router, it is reachable with a hop count of 15. But if you look at 18, it is still unreachable. For it to become reachable, it need in another router for hop. So this was it for this lecture. I hope you saw how it works, right? How the concept of hop count works and how it makes the next router unreachable. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.